Form 1. Heart-pushing palm. Next, I will explain the 24 forms. Attacks and counters. When the opponent uses the big harrier. Countering, when the opponent strikes with their right palm. Punching at my face. I intercept with my right hand, then quickly retract it. When the opponent scoops my hand away, as I counterattack, and they intercept my hand, they strike towards my chest. I quickly pull my foot back, shifting my weight to the left foot into a right empty stance. Using the same technique, I quickly step forward, changing from a solid stance to a horse stance. Matching the opponent's posture. This is called a hand counter, or preventing the opponent's grip. This is a countering technique. Once countered, you must attack. I exert force simultaneously, shifting back the horse stance while retracting and striking the opponent, either with a palm strike or a kick. Here is a demonstration.